Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. I'm Ismail Kalismaz. Today we are with our 306 again. We're going to replace the air filter of our 306 friends. When we open the brand Karus, a filter like this appears. Friends, our previous filter is again like this. It's a performance filter, but as you can see, it's deformed if you like. Let's put it on. Let's hear it sound again. It's open here, also open here. It's coming from here. Cold air will enter from here. It stayed away from the engine. If you remember it before, it was here. Being distant from the engine. So, for those who can't install an exhaust like this, for those who can't install a Varex exhaust or something, the performance is good, the air filter is good in terms of sound.